It's a beautiful morning here in suburban Phoenix, Glendale, Arizona, getting ready for my ride. Today I'm thinking about skin protection. My regular followers know that I cover up my skin with sunscreen SPF 50 and 100, but today I'm going to try out what are these things called? Cooling sleeves. It's not terribly hot yet, but it's too hot for regular long sleeves. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works for me. And this is what the sleeve looks like. It looks like somebody's wearing an undershirt with long sleeves, but it's just a sleeve. And from what I've read, when you start to perspire a bit, it cools you off. And of course, covering up your skin from the sun is a good thing. And I've had that, I'm not sure what you call this, the thing that goes and covers my neck. I call it the Lawrence of Arabia thing for about a year. I like that. And as usual, I'm stopping at Sundance Park, but it's such a nice day. There's another park I wanted to show you. Stay with me. This is the Clarence B. Hayes Memorial Park, 75th Avenue and Mountain View, between Peoria and Olive. And you might have gone past this park many times and never seen it. It's a flood detention area. I mean, look it up there. That's street level up there. So we're down here. Hang on, I'll show you how this works. Right around there. There we go. That's where the water flows out when we have storms here. And it rains hard in the desert. Water needs someplace to go. And this is where it goes. Big area. There are a lot of places like this in my neighborhood. I think it surprises people how much Phoenix used to flood. And I think it's a real credit to the engineers who not only controlled the flooding, but gave people who live here a place to go, a place to hang out, a place to play baseball. But it's getting kind of hot for that kind of stuff right now, so I don't blame people for staying away. Here comes somebody. Good morning. I like the road less traveled, but not completely empty. There are other people out there too who enjoy the road less traveled. Makes me feel better. Well, I'm really not sure about the cooling sleeves yet. Didn't really get that terribly hot. It's probably only in the low 80s right now. I'll see what it's like in the 90s. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out there in the hundreds anymore. Not as young as I used to be. I think it's time to stop and have a little bit of lunch. Let's see if I can find some shade to park the trike in. Let me see. How about over here?